Welcome to our exploration of the present perfect simple and continuous. These tenses relate to actions initiated in the past but which resonate in the present. In the present perfect simple, the focus is primarily on the outcome. On the other hand, the present perfect continuous emphasizes either the duration or the ongoing nature of the action. Present perfect simple. It's used for actions and experiences occurring at an unspecified past moment. For example, I've just answered the phone. For completed actions with a specified amount, for example, we've posted on the school blog many times. It's used with stative verbs signifying an ongoing state or feeling from the past to the present, especially when using for and since. For example, I've been at the tram stop for an hour. Present perfect continuous. It's used to underscore the uninterrupted nature of an action. For example, I've been studying all day. It's also used for recent actions, either still in progress or just completed. I've been walking all day. Actions persisting from the past until now, especially with for and since. I've been searching for my keys since 9 a.m. There are instances where both tenses can be used, depending on the speaker's perception of stability. For example, I've lived in England my whole life. It implies stability. I've been living here for a year suggests that it's temporary. I've worked here since December 2020 signals ongoing employment, whereas I've been working here for 10 years hints at possible changes ahead. Have you ever wondered about the duration of an experience? The phrase "how long" is our gateway. It seamlessly connects the past to the present, offering a snapshot of someone's journey or stay. Asking about ongoing learning. How long have you been learning it? An advanced usage example could be, how long are you here for? It means, when are you departing? Versus, how long have you been here for? When did you get here? Now, let's recap. As for non-progressive verbs, some verbs known as stative verbs aren't used in progressive forms, even when it seems fitting. For example, I've been ill all week, or I've known him only for a couple of days. Temporary versus permanent. Progressive forms often indicate temporary actions or states, while the simple present perfect suggests permanence or longer duration. Examples include, I've been playing the keyboards all afternoon, versus my relatives have lived in New York all their lives. Quantifying with simple present perfect. To express quantity or frequency, we turn to the simple present perfect. Look at how many pages I've studied, or I've played volleyball 4 times this week. And now I wish to thank you for joining us on this grammatical journey. For more insightful lesson on English mastery, visit www.polasenglish.com and expand your knowledge even further. Keep exploring and enjoy your learning.